Hello everyone, and welcome back. This week, I'm going to be giving a brief introduction to the most talked about sustainability reporting framework of the year, CSRD, the Corporate Sustainability Reporting Directive, and why the double materiality assessment is so important. CSRD is the EU's latest reporting framework that mandates companies to report and disclose against their performance with respect to several environmental, social and governance topics. But why is CSRD making such a splash amongst companies and sustainability professionals? Well, it represents a significant change in the scale and scope of sustainability reporting to date. The framework contains 1,178 different disclosure requirements, places requirements on companies to seek assurance for their sustainability data, is designed to be interoperable with other sustainability frameworks, and is built around the concept of double materiality. But before we dive into further detail, it's important to bear in mind that this particular piece of legislation is for EU members only, and will only affect non-EU members from 2028. However, we've already seen a whole range of companies, different sizes, sectors and geographies reporting in accordance with the principles of CSRD. This is because it represents the latest thinking in sustainability reporting and aims to integrate learnings from a whole range of different frameworks, including CDP, GRI, TCFD and ISSB. So even if your company doesn't meet the compliance thresholds, you may find it useful to adopt some of the principles of CSRD reporting in your own sustainability report. The heart of CSRD is built upon 12 ESRSs, European Sustainability Reporting Standards. 2 of these are general standards, 5 environmental standards, 4 social standards and 1 governance standard. And the double materiality assessment dictates which of these standards and then the underlying clauses you must report against. The double materiality assessment of CSRD asks you to consider which ESG topics are financially material to your business and which of those represent impact materiality. Your business is likely to have an impact on the people and planet in this case. To kickstart any double materiality assessment, the first thing to consider is which environmental, social and governance topics are important to my business. In this instance, it's okay to use your own language. Maybe you'll use the headings from your most recent sustainability report, or maybe these headers are yet to be defined. They're usually topics such as climate change, employee volunteering, or sustainability packaging, to name a few examples. These obviously change from industry to industry, but if you're struggling for a starting point, I'd recommend using SASB's materiality map, which you can find online. This lists the expected material ESG topics for each sector. Then, through a combination of stakeholder engagement, desktop studies, and peer reviews, assess which topics represent impact or financial materiality, or both, to your business. Using these outputs, you can then use the findings to rule in and out different ESRS standards and the underlying clauses in line with the CSRD requirements. So that's that. A brief little introduction to the behemoth that is CSRD. And I've no doubt we'll be covering it a lot more in detail in the future. If you've got any questions, suggestions or feedback, please feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Thank you.